Now that the agent has detected a hit target, removed that target, and reduced the number of targets remaining, there are two possibilities. Either the agent needs to create another target, or the player has hit all of the targets and the game is over. Which block have we used to make a decision between two or more options? We can use an if-else block. Let's get one from the logic folder and add it inside the if block already in our code. We want the game to continue as long as there are still targets remaining. Let's go into the logic folder and get a block to compare two values. We'll set it to greater than. Then, let's get our targets remaining variable from the variables folder and add it to the first value. Now, our condition reads as if the number of targets remaining is greater than 0. Well, if there are still targets remaining, we want the game to continue, which means the agent should teleport to a new location and build a new target. We can make this happen with some duplication. From our onChat command, we can duplicate the agent teleport and add it to our if statement in our gameplay function. We already have a function that tells the agent how to build a new target, so no need to code it again. Let's just call the function. We can duplicate the call build target block and add it here as well. Look at that. We have a function in a function. Now for the second option. What if there are 0 targets remaining? Well, in that case, we want the game to end. We can start by removing the player's bow and arrows. Let's get the execute block from the player folder. Since there is no code block for removing items from a player's inventory, we can use the execute block to run any Minecraft command. The /clear command removes all items from a player. So let's manually execute that command here and execute the command clear. Next, we want to display a game over message and the player's time. To do this, we'll use a show title block from the gameplay folder. We can type game over as the title. To add the score, let's go into the text folder below the advanced dropdown. We are going to use the join block and place it in the subtitle. We can type the word time with a colon and a space in the first value. In the second value, we can add our time variable from the variables folder. This will now display the word time with a colon followed by the player's time score, which has been counting up in ticks until the game ended. Since Minecraft is counting in ticks, not seconds, let's label our units by hitting the plus sign to add another value and type a space and then the word ticks. Finally, we need to call our gameplay function, but we need that function running as long as targets remain. For that, we will need a while loop. Back in our chat command, let's add a while loop. The condition is the same as before, while targets remaining is greater than 0. So we can duplicate that. Then we just need to call our gameplay function from the function folder. You can now test the game. You'll probably notice a few issues. We will fix all of these bugs by executing some commands in our last video.